50,000, I will buy that.
Impossible.
Too much, too much. 50,000, I will buy that.
50만 impossible.
68,000. How much it's before? How much did you give me?
Just this price.
$9,000 times 60. Hindi masyado malaki.
Okay? Okay.
Ilang dilaw na dilaw. Meron ng nagkahipa na si Mamang. Ewan ko pa paano ba yan. Patingin Mamang, patingin nga dito. Ayan, meron. Pakita mo siya. Look me si Mamang here. Show it to me.
Pendant daw pa.
Ay, hihirit pa kayo ng pindot pala.
Hindi, wala na itong pendant mang.
Oh, hindi. Ayun, resibo. Sinusulat na tayong resibo. 28,000 New Taiwan dollar. Yan, napakita natin yung ano, timbang.
Sahira. This gram.
Yeah, let me see. 00, okay. Let me see, 00. 00 gram. Okay. 10.12. Okay na Mamang, oh, yung mga ano, gold.
O yan
Oh.
o. Tindahan ng mga kwan alas.
Pasok tayo. Pasok ba tayo, ano? Saka, tingin lang. Doon naman sa bandaron?
Ng regalo nila sa akin.
Ay. Sinabi nyo na agad, baka hindi matuloy yan. dapat Mamang, sinabi nyo kung saan yung tuloy. Nakabili sila kamo. Mamaya. Ayan guys, na-miss na talaga namin itong lugar na ito eh. Dito talaga yung baluarte namin nung araw eh. Pag pumupunta sa simbahan, malapit na simbahan dito dati. Nung kami, Xiongli. Pagsimba dito sa Xiongli. Oo. Nandito nakaupo. Walang Pilipinohan na nagtitinda ng alas dito siguro. Oh, dito. May mga bag, naalala ko na. Tingin tayo dito? Sige.
Hindi ba
Ito, mas marami.
Ay.
Move closer, move. Go. Ayun na, si Nel. Hello! Mga alas na, yun. Ayun na. How much per gram? Meron silang ano dyan,
English?
9,180.
1 gram?
No.
Taiwan.
Okay.
Taiwan.
Yes, Taiwan. Okay, so
1 gram.
2,448 gram.
Yeah.
So, ang bibili natin kay Mamang, necklace.
Necklace.
So, kung, hold on, times, if I wanna buy 15 gram. 15 gram? That's it, that's the,
So how do you want to buy? Necklace.
yeah, bracelet, necklace,
Who
for my mother. Yeah,
your mother?
yeah.
要找手链。
他要找手链或是项链。
Give me a good deal.
15,000. How much?
15 gram kung kukuha tayo. 2,400
Ano
lang.
ba yung 15 grams? Tanong mo na, 15 grams.
Ayan.
How much the 15 grams?
2,455.
2,455?
2,450 kung isang gram. Yata.
No.
This is not toy, okay?
That's not a toy. Oh yeah, it's not toy.
What is the thing?
How much is that? 3 grams. Yan, 3 grams na yan.
Malalaki dapat. What are they? This is 24K?
Yeah, 24K.
Oh, so this one is this
Huge.
price?
999.
32,900?
Yep.
For one piece?
One piece.
I thought you said before 2,000 something for 1 gram.
Yep.
Oh, this is 3
17 times 2,000. How much the per grams?
This is Taiwan.
Yes, I know.
So-
Times how much the per gram?
Oh, 9.
We thought that it's
2,000. That's the 2,198. Okay.
Wala, konti lang.
No, mabibili mo ito. 2,900.
That's
32,900. Oh, 80 ito. So ano bang gusto ni mong nabilhin?
Huwag kang mag-expect ng ano. Earrings na lang.
Earrings. Mamang earrings. So we see the earrings for mom?
Oh, that's all 24?
Yep.
No, we
24,
don't
yeah.
have 21 cards like that, 18K, no?
18K. You want 18K or 24K?
So if 18K, how much is the per gram?
18K is not less.
Wala nga sila dyan.
Police
You don't have
price.
18K?
It's not that twice, yeah.
How about that?
18K is one piece and one price, but not less.
Not that price.
Yeah. So what do you want? We don't have yellow 24. We don't have yellow 18K. We only have
21.
white
White gold?
white
White
18K. White gold.
Oh, you have white gold?
Yeah. Because the yellow 18K in Taiwan is not popular.
Yes, we know.
Oh, okay.
So how much the per gram for 21K? Per grams for 21K.
21.
Yeah.
You do not.
Taiwan didn't have 21K. Only 24K
Oh.
or 18 or 14K.
14K, 18K, and 24K.
Yeah.
Okay. No 21K in Taiwan.
It's just in Thailand or
Oh.
your country.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Or Singapore.
Oh, we are
Taiwan,
from
Taiwan don't have 21K.
Oh, so Taiwan do not 21K. Okay. Yes. Good enough. Okay, so para mabilhan natin si Mamang o mag-iikot pa tayo, ano ba? We will look for something different or what? Yung ibajita mo si Mamang na isang
3
ganun.
grams?
8, meron siyang 18, ha?
50 mil na yun sa peso.
Kaya nga.
50 mil.
Earrings. Ito, laki na naman ito. Those are 24K, everything?
So 24K.
Everything?
Yes.
Too expensive, eh?
Here.
Oh, earrings.
所以像这样子啊，可是你把它想象成都是这个红绳变成黑金了。
Ha? Ano bang kailangan dapat? 20, 18K lang? Oh, pure gold yun eh.
用一样就是
Oh, ngayon, anong kukunin natin para kay Mamang?
可以，但是很贵，我不建议啦，因为手链料用的比较多的。我不建议。
Parang ang sarap lang bumili eh, no? Itong kwintas.
你就小心有没有用活绳的？
This one here, can I see this? The bigger one?
反正你对这种配件嘛，如果真的要
Which one?
The bigger one like this. How much is this?
This one.
No, the other one.
This one.
The other one.
This one.
Yeah. How many gram is that? Kung yan ang ano mo kay Mama? 7. Puta, 70K.
This
Ano na
is not very strong. If you
But 24K.
yeah, 24K.
So 10 times... Gusto ko sana bilan ni Mamang yung kitang-kita sa leg ng malaki.
可以，可以，
70,000?
也可以啊，看你的那个会比较贵。那我做完了。
Ayaw mo yan?
它就是变成说我们
No discount?
穿下去，
Do not touch it because that is, do not touch it. That is, I cannot also touch it. No touching. No discount. 50,000, I will buy that.
Impossible.
Too much, too much. 50,000, I will buy that.
我应该问你说，
Fifty
那
impossible.
你想你要
68,000.
比较便宜，
How much it's before? How much did you give me?
Just this price.
可以啊。
9,000 times 60.
First price.
That's the price. Giving me discount.
First price.
Oh,
Discount is
6.
this price.
So 69 ka na, 1,000 ang discount. Gusto ko sanang bilan si Mamang yung kitang-kita. Bold talaga na kitang-kita sa'yo. 68,000. Move your class ka, please. Move there. Pakalat-kalat kayo.
Snacks lang yun. Kalaki mo.
Ikaw, Mamang, ano bang gusto mo? Yung earring? Dalawang klase, earring at saka necklace? O earring lang?
是啊，对啊，我要有点想， 要说买便宜啊。
Ano, magkano budget ba? Magkano ba budget, Han?
Hindi masyadong malalaki na tulad niya.
Mga nasa 60 na lang itong pera dito. 65 kulang na tayo dyan.
So, ano bibili natin?
Hindi ko alam sa'yo.
Ikala ko mabibili tayo rito.
Hindi ko alam sa'yo. Bumili ka, di bumili ka. Mag-withdraw na lang mamaya. Kung ano. May pera
Hindi
pa
masyadong
mag-withdraw.
malalaki.
Hindi masyadong malaki. You take credit card?
Parang ganun.
Credit card?
Credit card, yeah. But your credit card is your country, not Taiwan, right?
No, Canada.
Canada.
It's Canada.
Yeah.
Yeah. We can.
60,000.
But if you use your credit card, it's not this price. It's this price.
Oh, that's the price.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so yung maliit.
This price is for cash.
The 68 is for cash.
Yeah,
Okay.
For cash.
Yeah, 68 is for cash. Okay. Okay, so ano na lang. Set na lang na ano, mababa. Magkano ang ano, 30 mil? 25,000?
Hindi abot yung maliit na lang na bracelet. 32 na yun eh.
O, ano pa lang ano natin dito pa lang purpose Han, kung hindi tayo bibili. Akala ko kasama na yung
Sa kanya kung mayroong sangkang set na 50, yung may earring sa puntas.
15.
50. So, 30. Then, nasa sa'yo kung ilan ang budget mo.
因为你这个啊，孔距太长了，然后这样
Kasi
'Di ba
baka
may earrings na? Tanong mo muna. Mauna ka muna sa earrings. Which one is the...
This is not real earring.
is na earrings? Oh, this is pendant.
Yeah, it's pendant.
Ganito lang na. Style.
Para set siya.
That's they said they're expensive. So can you give us at least 30K budget set earrings, necklace?
Necklace.
Yeah, necklace for my mother.
Yeah.
Earrings and necklace. 2. I mean one earring and necklace. Okay.
Okay. So
For 30,000. Can you look? Yeah.
for 50,000,
30.
20,
30. Son, oh.
30.
Son, yeah.
For the both,
For 30,000.
Yeah.
for earrings and necklace, sabi mo, baka
Earring and necklace. Yeah.
magkahiwalay.
By cash.
Cash, yeah, cash, yeah. Cash.
Cash.
Yeah.
How much will it cost?
Gulat ako sa ano eh, ang mahal pala ng mga ginto. 24K.
Suggest you.
Suggest, yeah,
I don't
suggest.
suggest you take the necklace
其实里面有，
because the length you want buy is too
基本上的话，它都
too small.
Oh, too small, okay.
Not for mama, for lady.
4 kids, oh.
It's plain for lady, but for your mother is too small.
Too small.
Yeah.
然后它这个都
Too
反
small?
哦 kung ano daw, too small daw yon.
它这个黑的。
Do you have worth necklace for 30,000?
30,000.
Necklace. What?
Necklace.
Yeah, on necklace, yeah. Do you have that? Can I see? Kung gaano kalaki yon?
没有没有，空气白。
No, it wasn't.
Clark, move a little please. Kasi this is gold, Clark. You cannot just play with this, okay?
它写3.9，但是
Mahal naman talaga ng ano.
Kasi 24 yan eh.
不是没有这么硬。
Mahal talaga. Yan.
Ayan, medyo...
Medyo mas malaki ng konti.
当然可以搬啊。
2.7.
就是真的那3.9的很软。
28,500.
它里面是这样子啊。
Basta maliit naman. Gano'n ba kalaki kay mamang? Baka man maigsi naman yun. Yung ba discount? Discount? For happy Mother's Day for my mother only. Yun na lang.
Go anywhere.
Kahit makabili man lang tayo ng alas ni mamang.
28.
Magkano kanina? How much before?
Bracelet yun ha, kanina.
Hindi itong ano.
The first price
好
is
啊，怎样？
2.7 gram times 9,180.
那个太厚，然后那个又
first price.
Oh, then now you giving me discount.
Okay, if you want, I give you 28.
28 for that? Okay. 28,000. Pwede na siguro to, han?
You want for your mother, try it. You can try it.
Yeah, try it to man. You. I don't want to break it. Yeah, you don't. Ilapit ko si mamang. Tayuin ng konti.
Tumayo ka nga dali.
Han yung cellphone ko? Cellphone ko, han.
看到那个红色
Move little.
Clark mo.
啊，它一定就是很高。
Okay? Okay.
那个我都不行。
Yan o. Yan o.
Ilang dilaw na dilaw. Meron ng kahipa na si mamang. Ewan ko pa, paano ba yan?
Huwag na kayong lumabas sa
Patingin mamang, patingin nga dito. Ayan, meron. Pakita mo siya. Oh.
Missy.
Oh, yun.
Wow! Oh my
It's
God.
okay.
Oh.
Yeah, it's okay.
Let me see mamang here. Show it to me.
Pendant daw pa.
Hihirit pa kayo ng pindot pala.
Hindi, wala na itong pendant mang. Hindi ito.
Oh, hindi. Patingin dito, mamang. Oh, ganda naman yung ano mo, mamang. Oh, dilaw na dilaw, ha.
Tinang ulit sa salamin mang.
Yeah.
Doon sa salamin.
28,000.
28,000, no? Makapal. 2.7. Mahal na pala talaga yung ano.
Matutunaw siya.
Oh, 24K yan. 24K.
Pang ano lang, panglakad.
Panglakad lang talaga yan.
28,000.
Simba lang.
Magsimba.
Paglakad, baka mamaya lang.
可以啊，直接把相
Pure
机
gold,
单
24K.
It's 24. It's very soft, right?
Yep.
So do you have any pendant? Pendant that you can put in there? Do you have any pendant?
Pendant will over 30,000.
Oh, the pendant is over
没有，这
30,000.
边人说那个大楼拆下来，
Hindi rin nalabas.
进去之后再把
18K na ano, pendant.
18K pendant you have? Wala.
Nga daw sila.
18K it will most over 30,000. Two piece over 30,000.
Yeah. So yan na ba yan? Okay na ba sa'yo to? Masaya ka na dito, mamang? Tumingin ka dito para makita namin. Masaya ka na ba rito? Wala na, pero wala na kayong earrings.
It's so nice.
Ano ba gusto niyo? Earrings o ganito lang? Ganito lang?
Oh, maganda ito.
Oh. Ano bang gusto niyo, mamang? Earrings o ito? Hindi natin kasi kaya yung ano eh. Hindi natin kasi dalawa. Wala pang budget. Oh. Ganito na lang.
Pure gold eh.
Pure gold, 24K. This one is okay? Oh, sige.
Don't use everyday mang kasi mas
Itago mo yan. Baka sige yan. Bayaran mo na.
Ganun lang pagka may party.
Bayaran na natin. Yan.
Party.
Yan.
Special occasion.
Special occasion.
For Happy Mother's Day.
Ngayong Mother's Day po mang.
Para kay mamang, Happy Mother's Day.
Sige, alam mo mga kulit.
Oy, Becky! Come here.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes. Thank you. Give us a receipt, okay? Okay. Mamang, itago mo yung resibo ninyo, ha?
给我的。
这个你不用看，这个跟黄金的绳索一样。你手这样。
I teach you how to use this one.
Okay, teach.
Don't open for
Too much, okay. Oh.
open from here.
Basta, okay. Jen ha, para kung di mo baliin, huwag mong ipapaganon. Oh.
Because it's too soft. If you
it's too
open here,
It break.
long will break from here. Oh. And then, 270.
Kapag ka makabili ka ng kung ano may dadagdag mo dun sa Pilipinas, yung maliit,
小白你项链买起来，
para ilulak mo lang, no?
差不多大概有要。
That's way okay.
Ikaw nang naka 24 yung resibo. Sinusulat na tayong resibo. 28,000 New Taiwan dollar. Yan, napakita natin yung timbang.
Sahira. This gram.
Yeah, let me see. 00, okay. Let me see, 00. 00 gram. Okay. 10.12 pa. Ba't yun? Kala ko kanina,
Ilan ha?
10.11 gram.
Yeah, 10.11 or 10.12.
10.11 gram pala yun.
Malaki na.
Oo, 10.11 gram. Ayan, lahat.
11.
Bayaran natin.
10.11 gram, yan.
Paano mag-release ka sa
Oh, may, ayan.
phone?
This paper is promised will have
Oh, that's
24K.
Yes, 999.
499.
So that's the okay, so that's the 999. Oh.
The gold.
The gold heavy. Okay?
Okay.
10 grams. 10 pa na 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28.
Okay.
Okay. Wait a minute.
Yes. Wait, i-wear mo na ba, mamang? O ito, tago mo muna? Tago lang?
So nice.
Jin, alaga, ingatan mo yung ganyan. Happy Mother's Day kay mamang.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
That's it.
Happy for Mother's Day.
Yeah, Happy Mother's Day. Bigay mo na kay mamang. Give it to mamang.
Happy Mother's Day!
Happy Mother's Day, mamang. Oh.
Happy Mother's Day. Thank you.
Yo, welcome.
Oh, put it in your bag na. Maybe somebody come.
Okay, tago mo na. Oh.
Okay, ito muna kayo, ma'am.
Okay. Nagkagulo na. Thank you, my friend.
Thank you.
I'm in the vlog.
Thank you.
From Canada. Okay, thank you, thank you. If you wanna see her chair, Lakay Tracker YouTube. Oh, yeah.
看你啊，对啊，你想想这样。
You wanna see your face? Okay. Ano mamang, masaya ka naman na. Oh, papa-happy Mother's Day.
Oy, Baki!
Bakit? Ayan, guys. Tara. Water, water.
Thank you.
Mahal
Thank you.
pala.
Have a nice trip.
Thank you, my friend. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Ayan, guys. Napasaya natin si Mamang. Happy Mother's Day ngayon. Nabilan natin siya ng necklace. O ha, Mamang, tagahan. Teka, interviewin natin si Mamang ngayon dito. Oh, Mamang. Oh, anong masasabi mo sa bagong regalo ni Eileen sa'yo sa iyong sa iyong Happy Mother's Day?
Yung mga anak saya.
Masaya. Oh, ito paano? 24 karat of gold yun. Ingatan mo yun, Mamang.
Convert mo sa peso.
Magkano ba yun? 28,000 times, magkano mapalitan?
Hindi ko alam.
Magkano yung palitan eh? 32? Yung ano,
32?
so sabihin natin 28,000. Sabihin mong nasa 50,000 siguro sa pesos yun. Oh, moroso kasi kung ay hindi, wala tayong internet eh. But anyway, Happy Mother's Day to all. Happy Mother's Day rin kay kay Mami at kasi Tita Jenny. Yeah.
Hey, Happy Mother's
Okay.
Day, Mother.
Happy Mother's Day, Mamang.
Thank you, thank you.
Ayan guys, papaalam na muna kami. At least kahit paano si Mamang nabilan namin ng necklace dito. Mapasaya namin si Mamang. Oh. So magpaalam na muna tayo, Mamang. Tuloy lang natin na paglakad-lakad dito sa Chungle. Okay, bye-bye guys. Thank you for watching. Peace up. Masaya tayo kasi masaya si Mamang. Lakay.